All right, guys, what is going on? It's your boy Stockmarketchuy. Welcome back to the channel. So, my bad, I'm super late. I was on TikTok Live for a little bit. All right, and before we get started, make sure you guys smash the like button and then subscribe if you guys are new around here. And then also make sure you guys join the free Discord as well. There's always so many new people coming in here. So as you guys can see, we got 2 new people for today. Then 1 more person there, 2 more here. And then just join the free Discord. It's completely free. It doesn't not charging you guys anything. This one's completely free. If you guys want to talk to other investors who have the same goals as us, make sure you guys join the free Discord. And then make sure you guys subscribe and then smash the like button as well if you guys don't mind. And then also if you guys do have over 2K, make sure you guys join the membership as well. This one, it's not free, it is paid. So I'm charged $19 per month, and then you guys get proven results from somebody who's been making over 2K per month selling options. You guys are going to learn and earn. You guys get access to all my trades and the reasons behind them. You guys are going to build wealth with me. Through dividend investing, we sell options and we buy growth stocks. And then you guys get my phone number. You guys get weekly Zoom calls. You guys can ask me anything. You guys get real-time trades, and then you guys get stocks that I'm buying. So yeah, like I said, if you do have over 2K, make sure you guys do join the membership. The only thing that I ask from you guys is please make sure you do have over 2K, so then that way we can sell options. So then that way, the $20 that you guys will pay me, you'll get back in premium plus more. But alrighty, guys, let's go over the Robinhood portfolio, and let's see. Why don't you just double down on SPY calls and then retire? SPY calls. One of these times I'm gonna lose on the SPY calls, and then what? Unless you're talking about selling covered calls on the SPY, then I would be like, yeah. But I already am selling covered calls on the Qs. Personally, I like the QQQ a lot more, but that's just me. Well, for right now, anyways, maybe in 2 to 3 years, I'll probably switch over to the SPY as well. But alrighty, guys, let's take a look at how we did it with the portfolio today. So yesterday, I sold out of my TQQQ and then my SSO, and then I sold the cash could put on the QQQ, and then so today I sold a covered call at $4.95, and then I got $328 in premium, and then so far I haven't bought a stock yet with the premium that I got, just because I'm waiting for like I don't know some stock that I would want, because right now the only stock that I've been watching is Celsius, and then I've been investing more into SEHG and then QQQI. So those are the 3 stocks that I'm taking a look at, and then I also have the QQQ as well that I'm taking a look at. But yeah, that's how those went, and then we'll see. So these 2 I'm gonna have to, when it comes time on Monday, I'm gonna have to roll these both for not debits, except for maybe Nike. Earlier I was looking at this one. I think this one I can actually roll it out if I got it, or if I rolled out my option for $82, then I would get a net credit. Let's see, 82. Yeah, I would get $15 in net credit. So thankfully I wouldn't have to pay a debit. But yeah, and then got this covered call as well that I can roll. This one I'm probably gonna roll out to 498, just because I think this is the big week when earnings are gonna go. So be careful with your covered call / cash credit puts on this, because all of these companies are going to report earnings. Then I have Riot. That one I'm probably going to close out because this one is pretty much guaranteed to make money. This one I do have to roll out for a net. I don't know if it's going to have to be for a net debit. I know it's going to be close, but let me see. Let's see. If I were to do it for $9, no, it would have to be the next week, huh? So it would have to be 2 weeks out, but at least I'll get in that credit, so that would be good. And then I would go from $8.50 to $9. So that right there, that part is good. Bro, the market has gone up the last 2 weeks. Why not just double down on those calls and get 1,000%? Literally what those douchebags want. And then, are you betting the S&P 500? I'm close to the S&P 500. So let's see. I'm at 23.7, and I think the SPY is like around there as well. Let's see. Well, I'm beating it by like 0.7, but I'll take it, to be honest with you. And then I also do have covered calls. So then a lot of these stocks are not as good as they should be. But to be honest with you, that's all right. I don't really mind. I know for this one, I'm for sure going to have to roll these for net debits. Let's see if I decide to do 36. I'll probably do 37 just because I think this is the week where Palantir has their earnings. So I want to make sure that I can uh, roll it out at least an extra $100. Okay, so you should sell everything and wait for the next year and repeat. I'm good on that armor plates just because I already have covered calls on them. And then I'm making income anyways, so I'm good. I'm just going to keep on doing what I do. I'm going to sell puts. I'm going to sell calls. I'm going to collect premium. I'm going to buy dividend stocks. Going to buy growth stocks. And then I'm also going to hedge as well. So I think I don't know when I'm going to hedge either because like one of the people that I do follow, they are hedging right now. So I don't know if I'm going to follow them into that, but I'm looking more and more into it. How much have you made from your total investment? So I have 32K in gains, and then with the cash secured put / covered calls, I think right now I'm at like 16K was selling calls and puts, and then another like $2,000 with dividends. So in all, I'm actually up. It's been a very good year this year. So thankfully that it's been very good this year. But yeah, let's see. And then let's look at the retirement portfolio. Let's see how that's doing. So in the retirement portfolio, I just have SoFi, TSLL, QDT, and then SSO. This one there isn't that much to really comment on. It's just I'm waiting for the Tesla earnings, and then after that we'll see where Tesla's going to be. Hopefully it goes down. I would love if Tesla goes down so I could scoop up more shares. And then I have these 15 cash secured puts at $9, and then I have some cash secured puts at $10 in here somewhere. Here they are. So yeah, hopefully Tesla goes down. I would really love it if Tesla went down. You don't lose money if you get assigned, right? You just buy the shares. How will you trade for earnings? I already have all my positions out. So I have these 10 cash secured puts on TSLL, and then the 15 at $9 right here. These ones I feel a lot better at just because they're at $9, and then the other ones are at $10. But like I said, even if Tesla goes down, I wouldn't mind picking up more Tesla shares. But obviously, that's just me. Other people would want it to go up. But for me, if it goes down or if it goes up, hopefully it goes down. Like I said, I would rather pick up more shares so that way I can keep accumulating more and more. But yeah, that's just me. Let me know, guys. Do you guys have any more questions, comments, anything that you guys want to talk about in the portfolio? And then I still have this cash you could put on Celsius. And then this one I'll have to. So this one expires on the 1st. So this one I don't have to worry about yet. This one is like 2 weeks out for me having to deal with it. So how come you don't do spreads? It's just like for me, I've done spreads before, and then I've noticed that like you have to win 6 times in a row in order for you to like for that one loss to like it'll wipe out all of those gains. So for me personally, that's why I don't do it anymore. Is there a particular reason? Yeah, that was the reason why. Are you planning on adding more money to this account? Yeah, I do it every single week. put $125 inside this account, and then inside my M1 Finance account, $100, and then Webull, $100 as well. But yeah, dude, that's the plan for me. Just keep on adding more money, and then I'm gonna just keep on. One thing that I do have to do though is I do have quite a bit of margin on here, so I have around 32K. So I want to make sure that this is at 20K instead of 32K. So I'm gonna have to get out of some of these, or I can just keep on rolling my options to the right and down for the cash secured puts, and then just keep on collecting premium for the covered calls. And then I could also close out some of these as well. And then I'll be able to not have as much margin. Like I said, the goal is to get this to 20K instead of the 32K that I have right now inside of margin. But it won't be that hard to like take it out of there. It'll just hit the bottom line. Sorry, armor plates. To be honest with you, I don't want to worry about the spreads. I'd rather just keep selling puts, selling calls, collecting the premium, buy my dividend stocks, keep working my 2 jobs, and then I have to worry about the stock market as much. Just because you have to remember that this is money that you do work for, and doing spreads is one of the more risky things that you can do. But alrighty, guys, this is everything. If you guys do have any more questions, please message me on Instagram at Stockmarketchuy, like how it is right here. And then also make sure you guys join the membership as well. If you guys do have over $2,000, make sure you guys join the membership. But if you guys have less than 2K, make sure you guys don't join the membership. But yeah, guys, any more questions, comments, concerns, or anything, message me on Instagram. And what's the end goal? For me, the end goal is to make at least 5K per month with the options and then dividends. So right now, like not for this year, but for next year, that the goal is $1,000 in dividends and then $3,000 in covered call / cash secured put. What's the Instagram? It's the same thing that as right here. It's Stockmarketchuy, like how it says under my name right here. Stockmarketchuy. Do you pay taxes on dividends? Yeah, you do. You have to pay taxes on everything. But alrighty, guys, this has been everything. I do got to get some sleep. But alright, guys, thank you guys all so much for joining. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, and then make sure you guys join the Discord as well. It'll be linked down below, and it's gonna be, I think it's the first link down below. So make sure you guys check that out. But alright, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much.